How to unban Litmatch account? Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So basically, in order to unban Litmatch account, first of all, you have to ensure that you haven't violated any privacy and securities policies of Litmatch. Even though if you haven't violated any kind of privacy and security policies of Litmatch but still your account is banned, then this is temporary issue. So here are simply two steps that I will teach in order to unban Litmatch account. The first is you can simply write a mail to Litmatch support team. All you have to do is simply open any of your Gmail account. Make sure that you have logged into your particular account on Litmatch. After that, you will see a compose button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on compose in order to send a mail to Litmatch support team. Here in the two option, you need to simply write for suggestions@litmatch.com. Now, once you have written the two, you have to tap in the subject and you have to write in request to unban my account. And here you need to write, "Hi Litmatch, my account has been banned, but I haven't violated any privacy policy of Litmatch." You need to make sure that you have entered your name as well as your date of birth. Tap on the send icon at top right corner of the screen, which is next to the paperclip icon, and then your mail will be sent to the support team of Litmatch. After that, your account on Litmatch will be unbanned. So if you don't have this much patience, then what you can do is simply you can pay 100 diamonds and your account will be unbanned. Simply for that, you need to open your Litmatch account where you will see the menu that there is the information that your account will be unbanned or your account is unbanned. Below that, you will see to pay 100 diamonds in order to unban your account. You can simply pay 100 diamonds and unban your Litmatch account. So that is how we unban Litmatch account. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.